Very good. Where is the cow? Mo, where is the cow? Oh, where is the cow?
Maabot niya.
Where is the cow? A cow. Very good. Where is the horse? Nay. Very good. Where is the pig? Pig. Very good. Where is the rabbit? Very good. Where is the dog? Dog. Dog. Where is the dog? Pia? Dog. Very good. Where is the chicken? Very good. Where is the duck? Very good. Where is the donkey? Donkey. Very good. Where is the where's the cattle? Very good. Ang galing naman. Where's the goose? Goose. Goose. Ang galing mo naman. Yan na lang di mo alam, ha? Oh, Pia, where is the violin? Violin. Oy, very good. Yay. Where is the whale? Whale. 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 Katabi ng violin. Whale. It's a whale. Whale. Where is the xylophone? Very good. Where is the sun? Very good. Where is the turtle? Turtle. Oy, very good. Where is the egg? Very good. Oh, where is the monkey? Where? Very good. Where is the lion? Ay, kakatakot naman. Ano sounds ng dinosaur? Ay. Takot naman. Where is the ice cream? Pia? Where is the ice cream? Ice cream. Ice cream. Very good. Where is the fish? Fish. Fish. Fish nga yung whale. Whale. Oh. Where is the jeep? Pia, where is the jeep? Ayun, layo. Naapa ko na. Where is the apple na lang? Malayo na yung ano eh. Apple. Apple. Very good. Where is the ball? Very good. Where is the cat? Cat. Cat po.
Tanungin mo siya kung saan yung Santa.
Where is Santa Claus? Very good. Oh, oh, oh. It's Santa Claus. Ang galing mo naman si Santa Claus nga yan, ah. Pio, Pio? Pio? Pio, may tatanong si Mama. Paano mag-behave si Pio? Behave? Oh, where is your tongue na lang? Show Mama where's your tongue. Ah, very good. Where is your nose? Very good. Ay, nose. Eyes yan. Where is your hair? Baby.